Man, can't believe this. Birds are literally running away from me. Well, there's only one way to find out how to do this. Yeah. So, let's see where we should go. What's over there? Birds? Man, they're way over there, bro. I can't reach the birds if I wanted to. What was that sound? Yeah, well, let's go. Birds, they run a lot. And I'm serious. They always be running. But not if I catch them first. Whoa. Let's go.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna be that hard. Let's go. Let's go. Gotta go. The birds are over there. Got to find a way to go.
I'm at the beach, girl.
Gotta go. Oh, that biker. Alright. Come on, let's go. We cannot be seen by those birds. Those birds are kind of hard. Sorry, I'm kind of in love with birds. Don't tell anybody. Please, don't tell Brad. I kind of eat his face off, but let's go. Birds. Birds. Dude, that water. Okay, can I swim? Ooh, look over there. Yeet! Definitely not the best idea.
And when you just go and keep going straight, you have to be.
Let's go. Look, car. Let's see if I can open it. It's locked. There's no way I can open it. Gotta find a way out of this mess. 'Cause if we're just stuck here forever, there's nothing else to do. Really. Yep. There's only one way to do things. We've got to do it the hard way. I don't understand why, but we got to go. The back door. Definitely not open. See you in part 2, bro. Bye-bye. Gotta go. Bye-bye.